Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your PayPal to your Nedbank account. First, you need to set up your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and sign up, choosing either an individual or business profile. It is important to verify your account by linking a debit or credit card. This step helps secure your account and enables full functionality. Finally, confirm your email address to complete the initial setup process. To link your PayPal to Nedbank in South Africa, you must first register for an FNB online banking profile. This is crucial because FNB facilitates all PayPal withdrawals in the country, even for non-FNB account holders. Go to the FNB website and choose the registration option for non-FNB customers. Fill in your personal details accurately to create this necessary online banking profile. Once your FNB online banking profile is active, log in to begin the linking process. Find the Forks section, then click on PayPal Services. From there, select Link PayPal Profile and follow the prompts to connect your PayPal account. During this step, you will provide your Nedbank account details. This ensures that when you withdraw funds from PayPal, they are directed to your specified Nedbank account. With your accounts linked, you can now withdraw funds. Log into your FNB online banking or use the FNB app. You have two options: an instant transfer, which takes minutes but incurs a small fee of 25 cents, or a standard transfer, which is free and takes 1 to 3 business days. For withdrawals, FNB applies a maximum fee of 1.51%, with lower fees for larger amounts. Verified PayPal accounts can transfer up to $60,000 per transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.